everybody? What's going on? What's going on? I hope everyone is doing awesome today on this awesomely blessed day. Yes, ma'am. I also hope that if this is your first time coming by my channel, I hope that you will sit back, kick back, you know what I'm saying? Watch my video, give it a thumbs up, and ultimately, I hope that you would subscribe to my video and even hit that bell so you can see when JustT cooking again, all right? So today, guys, I'm just going to make a video and share this with you guys. Crazy thing is, me and my husband both want chicken for dinner. I'm like, okay, chicken, that's cool. Let's get some chicken. Well, he wants baked chicken. Not me. I want some smothered chicken with some onions and some gravy. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to make both of them. So, I wasn't going to do a video, but I'm like, let me jump on and just show everybody this. So, what I have right here in this glass dish right here, I have some chicken quarters. On one of them that I actually cut up. And on the bottom, I have some onions, some bell peppers, some green and red bell peppers, and some onions. And I also have some sliced baby Bella mushrooms. He loves mushrooms. So in this pan, I have like couple just dabs of margarine on the bottom, sitting on top of those vegetables. And I seasoned the bottom of my chicken quarters. And I just sat them on top of it. And so now I'm getting ready to season the top. So, you know, you want to definitely start off with clean chicken, of course. Y'all, I hate cleaning chicken. Hate it. So now I'm just about to go in with my Sassoon envelope. And I'll let you guys know the seasonings that I'm using as I go along with this, all right? And I'm also going to do that smothered chicken recipe too, because that's what I have a taste for. I want some smothered chicken with some onions and gravy. I don't want no baked chicken. So, yeah. So, I'm going to do one of those. So, I'm just going to put this on here. This is one envelope. And I'm also going to go in with some seasoned salt. Just going to sprinkle it on there. I'm just eyeballing it, you guys. I'm not really going to use a whole lot of seasoned salt. So, with all of my seasonings right now, I'm just going to eyeball it. Just sprinkle it on the top. Paprika. I'm just going to go in with some of that. Put that on top. Paprika really to me doesn't have like a big flavor, but it adds a nice color to your food. To me, yeah. The smoked paprika, you can actually taste that a little bit better. But to me, paprika is not really, you know, a big flavorful seasoning. So just going to go in with a little bit of that. And this is the onion powder. Just going to sprinkle some of that on there as well. Like I said, I'm just sprinkling and, you know, I'm not measuring this right here. I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. Just going to sprinkle some of that on here as well. I'll put a little bit more garlic powder. And I would go in with some black pepper because I have it here, but I'm not going to, but if you make this, use black pepper. But I'm not going to use it because my husband has strep throat, so he's not feeling good. So I don't want to put anything spicy on his chicken, you know, to irritate his throat. See there? I'm real, you know what I'm saying, thoughtful. Yes, I am. Now I'm going to go in with some rotisserie chicken. I got this from Sam's Club. You can pretty much get this. I saw it at Walmart and Publix and I'm not sure about Kroger's. But this is just that rotisserie seasoning that they use to put on their chickens with. And it's really good. I like it because it's not real salty and stuff. And you can really use a good bit of this. So I'm just sprinkling a good bit of this on here. The other vegetables, just going to lay those on top. Well, like around. I'm going to lay them around on the sides because I'm going to also put some butter on top of this chicken. And I'm going to go in, like I have my oven too. I'm sorry, I have my oven preheated for 350. And I'm going to let this chicken cook for probably like about a good half an hour. About a half an hour to 30 minutes. I'll let you guys know, you know, the total cook time once it comes out. But you want to definitely make sure that when you temp your chicken, it should reach 165 before you even try to consume it, okay? Don't be saying, JustT told me to take it out at the half an hour. No, boo-boo. Make sure that it's done first. And I have some fresh thyme. I'm just going to put a couple sprigs of fresh thyme in here. Just put a couple in there. Just put them around in there. That's going to help give it some flavor too once that chicken juice and the broth and stuff start, you know, making itself known in this dish right here. And I'm going to get some margarine real quick. Okay, got some margarine. I'm just going to lay some right on top of this chicken. Now, you can use butter if you want to. And with this, I'm not measuring it. I'm just actually just scooping some on there, y'all. I'm just putting it on there. I'm just eyeballing it, all right? And I'm going to cover this up. And I'm going to let this cook at 350 for about a half an hour to 35 minutes. Like I said, I'll let you guys know total time, all right? And I'll be back when this is done. Okay guys, so welcome back, and I took that chicken out the oven. So what I did was I actually had it in that oven on 350, and I let it go for about 35 minutes. And in between, I'll say like every 15 minutes, what I went in and did was, I'm just going to show you guys, but I just went in with a brush or something, you know, a barbecue brush, and I just, you know, just bathed the chicken breast, bathed it, and then, you know, and also, because I told you guys, I believe, to cover it up with some foil, which I found out that I didn't have enough to even cover this pan, y'all. So I got to get some more foil. So I had cooked it without the foil on it. And therefore, too, I wanted to base, you know, to just dip my brush in there and put the butter on there so that my chicken doesn't dry out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, because look at that chicken. It looks good, y'all. It smells good, so I know it's going to be good. Everything I make is good. Okay? But as always, I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you forever stay blessed, y'all. It's just tea.